Organize Your Home Day is January 14, 2024. Get ready to declutter and create a more functional living space. Did you know that having an organized living space can actually reduce stress and improve overall well-being? Plus, it's a chance to get creative with storage solutions and make your home feel more personalized. It's a chance to refresh your living space. When your environment is tidy and organized, you'll be more motivated and efficient.
One of the fastest ways to remove clutter from your home is to clear your surfaces of anything that's unnecessary or out of place. Walk around your house and collect these miscellaneous items, and putting them back where they belong as you go. Put anything you're planning to donate by the door so you can easily grab it when you're leaving.
Designate a specific spot in your home for important items such as keys, mail, and bills. This will help you stay organized and avoid losing important items. Shred unnecessary paperwork. Tidy up your files by organizing them and labeling them clearly. Take everything out of your cabinets and refrigerator. Throw away expired items. Deep clean your empty cabinets and refrigerator. Do a utensils, cookware, gadgets and Tupperware audit. Sort everything into 3 piles: keep, donate, and toss. Divide chores into weekly, monthly, and yearly tasks. Home chores can feel constant and never-ending. While some cleaning tasks, like dishes, need to be done daily, others can be a part of your weekly, monthly, or even yearly cleaning routine instead. The pandemic inspired many to reconsider their relationships with their homes.
There's a renewed focus on comfort and entertainment areas. Here are 7 home features renters and buyers want. 1. A dedicated pantry. 2. Laundry rooms. 3. Big closets.
4. Outdoor living space. 5. Kitchen island. 6. A garage. 7. Garage storage. Have a happy Organize Your Home Day. For more help and advice for home, visit CassandraForRealEstate.com.